On top of that, SolaX technical support is way better than their competition like Sungrow and Fronius. I have been noticing that there's a long wait, whereas with SolaX there's absolutely no wait at all, and we also have a direct line which actually allows us to save a lot of time on to solve our on-site issues. Okay. On top of that, SolaX has been constantly investing a lot of money in their new research and development, and being the sole manufacturer of the batteries, they have now launched this HS51 battery, which not only has optimizer in each and every battery module, which allows or which extends the life of the battery and allows its maximum usable capacity. On top of that, the best feature they have is the co-pilot AI embedded into their app, which will allow us to understand and ask question to AI, and which gives us instant solution to the problem. Okay. Also, what I realize is, as compared to any other brand, SolaX does have IP66, which allows battery to perform well in the variable weather of Melbourne, and this actually being a very competitive reason that we are selling SolaX.